Since 2013, this program, under the leadership of my brother, Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif, has distributed over 600,000 laptops to high achievers, awarded hundreds and thousands of education scholarships, and trained a huge cohort of individuals in demand-driven skills such as artificial intelligence, data analytics, and cyber security. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan is home to one of the largest freelance communities in the world. We are focusing on IT trainings at a mass scale to equip our youth with necessary tools to connect with digital world and capitalize on the opportunities with the aim to enable job seekers to become job creators. Our Youth Business and Agricultural Loan Scheme has disbursed billions in loans, enabling young Pakistanis to start and scale their own businesses. Additionally, our initiatives such as Startup Pakistan and the National Innovation Award aims to foster, recognize and promote a promising startup ecosystem, providing mentorship and funding incubation opportunities for innovative tech-driven ideas.